Hello everyone, welcome to the Mini Markets Breakdown Analysis for Thursday, the 23rd of February 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and we'll show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at the previous daily candle closing bearish at 18.25.300, the daily closed below this daily support that was formed on the 6th of January 2023. Now, the one thing I've noticed is when you drop down to the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is this bearish move that we've had where the previous daily low was broken. As you can see here, if you put a line, it only happened on the last 4 hour of the Wednesday daily candle. So what we don't know now is we don't know whether price is just going to consolidate within this range here, because this is becoming a big range on the 4-hour time frame. But what we'll do is we'll identify the zones and then we'll look for potential buys or sells. So now we have the most recent 4-hour support at 18.25.500. Our most recent 4-hour resistance is at 18.39 flat. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, and what we can see is we've got the recent week 1-hour support at 18.24.500. And then we've got the most recent 1-hour resistance is at 18.33.400. Dropping down to the 5-minute time frame, again we have this clean traffic on the left, but I think it'll be easier to start to look for potential sell area first. Now going back to the 4-hour time frame, hourly time frame, sorry. So what we can see is this is a consolidation zone. I'm going to adjust my line to 18.22, let's say 18.22.300. I'm just going to mainly focus on the hourly time frame, because an hourly confirmation, an hourly candle closing below this 1-hour support is enough confirmation for price to continue bearish, knowing that the daily has been bearish, a daily resistance has formed recently, so obviously we can just continue bearish. So potential sells below 18.22.400. And for potential buys, I'm going to get a little bit close up to this one. And this is going to be a big no trade zone if we identify it as a no trade zone. But what I'll do is I will put a line at this rejection. Then I will adjust it to this previous 30-minute high. So this is going to be enough range for price to consolidate before having a nice decent buys for gold. This is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for buys. So starting with buys again, since the daily resistance has been formed on Tuesday and Wednesday daily candle closing bearish, I would look for potential buys at choose as a small target, because we're getting back into this consolidation, right? So our first target, dropping down to the hourly time frame, and what I can identify is this 1-hour previous support that was held from Tuesday the 21st of February all the way to Wednesday the 22nd, so all the way until the after the London session yesterday for Wednesday. So this could be our first target for buys at 18.33 flat. Our second target for buys, I would say this hourly resistance at 18.36.200. And for sells, going back to the daily, now this could potentially become a wick fill on the weekly time frame, but what we can see here is we've got this previous 1-hour resistance 18.17.800 dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, and what we can see is we've got this most recent 4-hour support that was formed on the 30th of December 2022, just before the yearly candle closed. Obviously I can't see any yearly candle on here, but this is the last 4-hour support that was formed, I believe, on in 2022. See, so potentially this could be our first target for sells at 18.14 or 18.15. Our second target for sells, we going back to the daily. Let's just delete this one. So obviously we do have this daily support at 18.03, but when you drop down to the 4-hour time frame, we have a closer price action, which is this 4-hour support, and that could be our second target for sales at 18.08 800.